Today I'm going to start
দেখতে পাচ্ছি না,
alcohols, phenols,
হলো না অফ করে দিই।
and ether. This whole chapters we are going to divide into three parts: alcohols, and then phenols, then ether. Now, what is alcohols? You know what is the alkane? RH is the general formula of the alkane. Suppose CH4. It is methane. Instead of one hydrogen, if we add one hydroxyl group in this compound, we will get alcohol. This is the alcohol which I showed you. This is aliphatic alcohol. Similarly, we can tell that alcohols are divided into two. One is aliphatic alcohol, another is aromatic alcohols. So generally we are doing first of all the classification. So before starting this all, let me first tell you which we will include in this alcohol part. Firstly, the classification of alcohols. Next is nomenclature. Third is preparation method. Fourth is the main important properties, that is the main reactions given by alcohols. And lastly, we will learn how to distinguish between different kind of alcohol. Now first topic we are starting now. This is classification of alcohol. As I already said you, classification, we may first of all classify the alcohols into two part. One is aliphatic, another is aromatic. Now what is aliphatic alcohol? Aliphatic alcohol means the functional group OH is attached to the aliphatic chain. Suppose it is CH3. Then another example we can take, it is if it is C2H5, it is also an aliphatic chain, and with this one OH functional group is attached. Then these are all examples of the aliphatic alcohols. These are aliphatic alcohols. Similarly, what are the aromatic alcohols? If the one example of aromatic alcohols I am giving first. Suppose benzene ring, along with this, in its side chain, if we have the functional group OH, then we tell it as aromatic alcohol. Aromatic alcohols. Now aromatic alcohols, one of the example is benzylic alcohol. This is benzyl alcohol. This full group is known as benzyl group, and we can see aromatic compound in its side chain the alcohol is attached, so it is known as aromatic alcohol. Now if we classify the alcohol on the basis of number of hydroxyl group, now see, if one hydroxyl group is attached with the aliphatic or aromatic chain, then we tell it as the monohydric alcohol. Monohydric. Example CH3OH. This is one of the example of the monohydric alcohol. Second, dihydric will be what then? If one example CH2, single bond CH2, OH, OH. That means what? The alcohol in which at least 2 hydroxyl group is attached, then this is known as dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols. Then what is the trihydric? This compound common name is also important. This is glycol. Glycol, try to remember this, glycol. Another is trihydric alcohol. If you have this compound, this is your compound, and this compound contains 3 hydroxyl group, then it is known as trihydric alcohol, as the compound contains 3 hydroxyl group. So trihydric alcohol is one of the example of the polyhydric alcohol. Polyhydric alcohol means then what? The alcohol which contains at least 2, means more than 2 hydroxyl group. More than 2 hydroxyl group is polyhydric alcohol. So one of the example of the polyhydric alcohol is trihydric alcohol, which is given here. The example I have given here, this is triol, propane 1 2 3 triol, or common name is glycerol, or you can tell it as glycerin, very common thing we know, glycerin. So these are the classification of the alcohol on the basis of the number of hydroxyl group contains. Now next is what? Classification on the basis of carbon alcohol containing sp3 hybridized carbon OH group and sp2 hybridized carbon OH group. So what is this hybridization? Means on the basis of hybridization we are classifying. It is on the basis of hybridization of the carbon. See one of the example, the alcohol which is having sp3 carbon along with OH group. What are the examples? Number 1 is simple aliphatic alcohol, suppose CH3OH. CH3OH, this carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon and it is attached with the functional group OH, so it is the simple aliphatic alcohol, alkyl alcohol, you can say alkyl alcohol. And another one is what? Another one example is, suppose this is our alcohol. So this is sp3 hybridized carbon and it is attached with the allylic group. Allylic group. So this is allylic alcohol. So this carbon which is attached with the OH is sp3 hybridized, but this carbon is attached with this allylic group which is sp2 hybridized. This is allylic alcohol. So first of all alkyl alcohol and after that allylic alcohol. These are all falls in this category, alcohol. And another one is what? You can see, if we tell regarding this benzyl alcohol, this is also falls in this category. This carbon which is sp3 hybridized, but it is one of the benzylic alcohol. So benzylic alcohol is also one of the example of sp3 COH containing compounds. So another category is the alcohol in which sp2 hybridized carbon is there along with the OH group. One of the example is vinylic alcohol. Vinylic alcohol is what? Vinylic alcohol means the carbon which is sp2 hybridized is directly attached with the functional group OH. Then we tell it as vinylic alcohol. So This compound contains the carbon which is sp2 hybridized along with the functional group OH. Another example of this category is what? This phenol. Very easy example, phenol. So phenol is also, see, this carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. This carbon is containing OH group. So this is also one of the example of this sp2COH category. So we can understand, again I am telling you, classification, we are doing the classification on the basis of the number of the hydroxyl group, which is monohydric, dihydric and trihydric alcohol, and another is the type which we have divided as the alcohol containing sp3 carbon and the alcohol which contains sp2 carbon along with the hydroxyl group. Now this sp3 carbon alcohol, that is we can say monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol again divided into, see, monohydric alcohol is again divided into three parts. What are those? Number one is primary alcohol, number two is secondary alcohol, and third is tertiary alcohol. Now what is primary alcohol? The carbon which contains the OH functional group is attached with at least one carbon atom is known as primary alcohol. If it is not attached with any carbon atom also, suppose a carbon which is attached with 3 hydrogen atom even and attached with the hydroxyl group, we know it is also known as the primary alcohol. And what is secondary alcohol then? Secondary alcohol means the carbon, that means the monohydric alcohol, if it is attached with the 2 carbon atom. This is the 2 carbon atom. The C2H5 means what? We can write it down, CH3 CH2. So actually this carbon is attached with the 2 carbon atom, then at least 2 carbon atom it is attached, then it is known as a secondary alcohol. What is tertiary alcohol? The carbon which is attached with the functional group OH is attached with 3 another carbon atom which is known as the tertiary alcohol. So these are the main classifications of the alcohol. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, please ask your doubts in your group. We will try to solve it out. Hope for the best. Thank you, children.